Good morning everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to talk about basic writing skill, part 2 of run-on sentence or sentence errors. So actually I have already presented the first part of run-on sentence with critical examples. These are some special and unique by giving some 10 important questions how you are going to correct the run-on sentence. First, what are run-on sentence and how can you identify run-on sentence from the other sentence errors? What are some of the best techniques that you are going to correct this sentence, especially run-on sentence? And finally, I'm going to give you some example sentence and I hope you will get some clues, some information how you are in a position to correct run-on sentence. Right, that's okay, please. Next one, this is actually, as I told you, first run-on sentence, which is one of sentence errors. Run-on sentence ማለት አንድ sentence clarity ወይም ያረፍተ ነገር ትርጉሙን ሊያሳጣ የሚችል አንድ ፓርት ነው run-on sentence ማለት። የመጀመሪያው ፓርት already presented ሆኗል። ሁለተኛው ቴክኒኮችን plus examples ከሌሎቹ sentence errors አይነቶች እንዴት እንደሚለይ ነው ማሳየት እንፈልገው እዚህ ላይ። So first of all, sentence run-on sentence እንል two main clauses in black and white cannot be separated without any kind of punctuation mark, and they seem or they act as one sentence which doesn't give meaning. That's called a run sentence. Right? Look here, run sentence ማለት ሁለት main clauses ምንም አይነት ስርዓተ ነጥብ ሳይጠቀሙ ዝም ብሎ በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ሲቀመጡ ስቴት ሲደረጉ ምንም አይነት ፍች ትርጉም የሌላቸው አረፍተ ነገር ማለት ነው run-on sentence ማለት። ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች አሉ መካከላቸው ስርዓተ ነጥብ የላቸውም ግን አንድ አረፍተ ነገር የሚመስሉት ስታነባቸው ወይም ስናነባቸው ምንም አይነት ትርጉም አይሰጡንም። So that kind of sentence error is run-on sentence እንለዋለን። run-on sentence ወይም fused sentence ይባላል። fused sentences, yes, fused ማለት they linked each other. They seem one sentence but they do not give meaning actually, right? ምንም ትርጉም የላቸውም። ይሄ ነው run definition. Second one, sometimes there is a comma between the two main clauses but it's not necessary to insert a comma between them. So it is also called run-on sentence, or we can say that comma splice. Comma splice አንዳንድ ጊዜ run-on sentence የሚያስብልበት ኮንቴክስት አለ። comma splice ማለት በሁለቱ main clauses መካከል ያላስፈላጊነት ወይም ያላጠቃቀሙ ኮማን መጠቀም ኮማን መክተት fused sentence ወይም run-on sentence እንለዋለን። ያ ማለት ምንድነው? አንድ main clause ራሱን ችሎ ከቆመ በፔሪድ ወይም በፉል ስቶፕ ነው የምንዘጋው እንጂ ኮማ በሁለታቸው ክሎዞች መካከል አያስፈልግንም። ስለዚህ ትርጉሙ ተጣረሰ ትርጉም የለውም አረፍተ ነገሩ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው definitely run-on sentence ማለት run-on sentence, right? run-on sentence ከdangling modifier, ከmisplaced subject verb agreement problem, faulty parallelism and also pronoun antecedent problem completely ይለያል። okay, ወደ ስምንቱም የሰንተንስ ኤረር አይነቶች በፍጹም አንዱ ካንዱ ጋር የሚገናኝበት ነገር የለም። ለምሳሌ dangling modifier ብትወስዱ we think of two main clauses. The two main clauses should stand separately, but the two main clauses do not infer about one common subject, right? ሁለቱ main clauses በራሳቸው የቆሙ ናቸው። ነገር ግን ሁለቱ main clauses ስለተለያየ ሐሳብ ነው የሚያወሩት። ያ ማለት ምንድነው? principal subject እና implied subject the same subject የላቸውም። So that is dangling modifier ነው። ለምሳሌ writing my note the students disturbed me ይላሉ። writing my lecture while lecturing to my students some students disturbed me በል ለምሳሌ lecturing my students lecture እያደረኩ እያሉ ጥቂት ተማሪዎች ይረብሹ ነበር ነው። አሁን ልብ አድርጉ የመጀመሪያው ፓርት የሚያወራው lecturing ነው። ሁለተኛው ተማሪዎች መረበሻቸው no meaning at all, okay? no meaning እንደዚህ አይነት አረፍተ ነገር ትርጉም የለውም። ሁለቱም የተለያየ ሐሳብ ነው የሚያወራው። so ምንድነው dangling modifier ማለት እነዚህ የተለያየ ባለቤት ያላቸውን ድርጊት ፈጻሚ ያላቸውን ተመሳሳይ ማድረግ ስንችል ስህተቱን አስተካከልን ማለት ነው። dangling modifier ይሄ ነው። misplaced modifier ማለት ደግሞ modifier ማለት አንድን ስም ወይም ስማዊ ሐረግ modify ማድረግ describe ማድረግ ወይም say something about the noun or the noun phrase but it is attached or it stays far from the word or the phrase it modifies ማለት ነው modifier ስምን ወይም ስማዊ ሐረግን modify ማድረግ ሲሆን ነገር ግን modify ከሚያደርግበት ቦታ ሌላ ቦታ ተፈናጥሮ ሲቀመጥ እሱ wrongly placed ሆነ ማለት ምን ጊዜም ፐርፖዝ modify ማድረግ ነው ስለዚህ modify ሳድርግ የብቻው ቦታ ሲቀመጥ አረፍተ ነገሩ ሴንስ አይሰጥም ማለት ነው አይደል የምንጽፈው አረፍተ ነገር ትርጉም ሊሰጥና አይችልም ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባል አንደኛ ሞዲፋየሩን መለየት ነው ሞዲፋየሩን ከለየን በኋላ ሞዲፋይ ማድረግ የሚገባው ፍሬዝ የትኛው ነው ወይም ናውን የትኛው ነው እሱ መለየት ወደ ቦታው አስቀምጠን ስናስቀምጠው ትርጉም አለው ስለዚህ run on sentence at least ከዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ከሚስፕሌስ ሞዲፋየር ከሰብጀክት ቨርብ አግሪመንት ከፕሮናውን አንቲሲደንት ከፎልቲ ፓራሊዝም ኮምፕሊትሊ ይለያል ማለት ነው ወይም ከፍራግመንት ኢቨን ፍራግመንት ይለያል ማለት ነው እሱ ነው አሁን ስለዚህ run on sentence ማለት ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ two main clauses cannot be separated without any kind of punctuation mark we can say run on sentence nice please አሁን ቴክኒኩ ምንድነው techniques of correcting run on sentence ነው አሁን run on sentence መሆኑን ካወቅን ማለት በየትኛው መንገድ ነው ልናስተካክል የምንችለው የትኛው መንገድ ተጠቅመን ነው የምናስተካክልባቸው አንደኛ የመጀመሪያው ቴክኒክ you have to just read the first sentence አንብቡት የመጀመሪያውን አረፍተ ነገርና ከዛው ሁለተኛው ሰብጀክት ላይ new subject ስታገኙ እዛ ጋር ነው ችግሩ ያለው ማለት ነው አይደል I will give you some examples here እዚህ ጋር ሳይያለሁኝ ቴክኒኮቹን ናይ the first one put a period at the end of the first sentence and the second sentence begins with capital letter አሁን just first identify the sentence has problems of run-on sentence ካልኩኝ አረፍተ ነገሩ የrun-on sentence problem ነው ካልኩኝ የመጀመሪያው ድርጊት የማድረግ ምንድነው የሚልበኝ የመጀመሪያው አረፍተ ነገር መጨረሻ ላይ full stop ከከተኩ በኋላ ሁለተኛው አረፍተ ነገር በካፒታል ሌተር ሲጀምረው አሁን meaningful ሆነ the two main clauses stand by themselves and they have a meaning so this is called one way of correcting run-on sentence take care please ይሄ ነው የመጀመሪያው ሁለተኛው መንገድ insert a semicolon between the two clauses they have the same meaning with a sentence which can be separated by one of the coordinating conjunction followed by a comma yes አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን የተያያዘ ወይም የተለየ በሰሚኮለን ስንለየው ተመሳሳይ ፍቻ አለው ስለዚህ ሁለተኛው አማራጫችን ሁለት ክሎዞችን ከለየው በኋላ በመካከላቸው ምን ሆነ አለበት ሰሚኮለን ስከተት ሁለቱ ለየናቸው they have meaning actually ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት one of the use of semicolon is to separate short coordinate related clauses short coordinate related clauses ማለት ሁለቱ ክሎዞች የሐሳብ ተያያዥነትና አትሊስት አጭር ሐሳቦችን የሚገልጹ ከሆነ ሰሚኮለን ተጠቀበታለሁ አንዱ የሰሚኮለን አጠቃቀማችን ነው to identify two short coordinate relate clauses we can just use semicolon ይሄ ነው ሶስተኛው ቴክኒካችን the third technique that we use to make correct run-on sentence is ምንድነው use a kind of look here a kind of fan voice ይሄው እነዚህን ተጠቀሙ ነው የሚላችሁ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት for reason መግለጽ የሚፈልግ ከሆነ ክሎዙ forን ተጠቀሙ between the two clauses look here ሁለተኛው and ስትጠቀሙ ደግሞ ሁለተኛው ሐሳብ መጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ የሚገልጽ ሆነ andን ተጠቀሙ ሶስተኛው negative alternatives ከሆነ noርን ተጠቀሙ and just this is called but ማለት ነው ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ከሆነ you can just use the word but and the other or if the two ideas are alternative አማራጭ ሐሳቦች ከሆኑ of course or የሚለውን coordinating conjunction እንጠቀማለን the other one just yet ማለት which is a strong negation of but ማለት ነው and when to just give emphasis about the clauses we should use yet the other is so that is if there is the two main clauses have a relationship with cause effect or if the second is the result for the first one we insert one of the coordinating conjunction so ስለዚህ እነዚህ ናቸው coordinating conjunction ማለት fan voice እንላቸዋለን በአጭር ስናስቀምጣቸው እነዚህን ተጠቅመን ነገር ግን ምን አስከትሎ መሄድ አለባቸው ኮማን አስከትሎ መሄድ አለባቸው a sentence or two main clauses which can be separated without a comma maybe sometimes missed ሊሆን ይችላል የማይፈልጉበትን ኮንቴክስታል ኮመንሊ ግን እንጠቀምባቸዋለን አራተኛው ማስተካከያ መንገዳችን use appropriate subordinating conjunction subordinate ማለት there is dependent and independent clauses አሉ ማለት ነው አይደል ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ትርጉሙን መለየት ነው we have 7 types of subordinating conjunction adverb clauses conjunction or contrast condition comparison and result reason and place and also time we have 7 types of subordinating conjunctions so we have to use one of the 7 types of subordinating conjunctions depending on the meaning of the sentence please የአረፍተ ነገሩን ትርጉም ከተረዳው በኋላ የትኛው appropriate subordinating conjunction ነው ይሄን ሐሳብ ላይ ያያይዝልኝ የሚችለው ነገር ግን በተጨማሪም እዚሁ ላይ ምናልባት በsubordinating conjunction የሚጀምር ከሆነ በሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል ኮማን እየከተኩ ይሄዳለሁ ሁለተኛ ምናልባት አያያዝ ቃሉ በሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል ምከት ከሆነ ኮማ ላይ ያስፈልገኝ ይችላል ማለት so these are the 4 techniques of using or ways of correcting one run on sentence yeah በእነዚህ በአራት መንገዶች run on sentence correctly መጻፍ እንችላለን so that's the idea please ይሄ ነው አይዲያው ይሄ ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው so let me give you directly the examples here ምሳሌዎች ላይ ልምጣ she wants to buy books look here she wants to buy books she doesn't have enough money look here she wants to buy books she doesn't have enough money no meaning at all አያችሁት አለ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ግን no meaning at all ምንም ትርጉም የሌለው ዝም ብሎ የረዘመ ሐሳብ ነው so what you do first is you first the first sentence and take care of where does the first sentence ends all right where does the first sentence ends ማለት ካነበብኳል የመጀመሪያው sentence ወይ አረፍተ ነገር የት ላይ ያቆማል እሱ ለየውት she wants to buy books exactly this is the end of the first sentence she doesn't because there is a new subject here አዲስ subject አለ ስለዚህ ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ መጀመሪያ ነው ይሄ ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የሆነ ነገር ከታለው ማለት ነው በጣም ጥሩ ይሄን ካደረኩ በኋላ ሐሳባቸውን ላምጣው she wants to buy books she doesn't have enough money ተቀራኒ ሐሳብ ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ reason ነው ምክንያት ነው ወይስ ሁለቱም ኔጌሽን ናቸው እሱን ለያለው like this she wants to buy look here to buy books yes here she wants to buy books full stop and here she doesn't have enough money yes ይኸውላ ጨረስኩ የመጀመሪያው መንገድ I insert look here a period at the end of the first sentence as the second sentence begins with capital letter here she wants to buy books of course she doesn't have enough money አንደኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛ መንገድ look here she doesn't or you can say that she wants to buy books yeah yes right but she doesn't have enough money yes she doesn't have enough money have you seen the different please have you seen the different meaning here zigayazi please she wants to buy books yeah she wants to buy books but she doesn't have enough money exactly because the second is the opposite or the second has a negative idea with the first one so the right coordinating conjunction here is but አሁን ይሄን ካልኩ በኋላ subordinating conjunction ላይ ልምጣና የትኛው subordinating conjunction ከዚህ ሐሳብ ጋር ሊሄድ ይችላል look here ለምሳሌ also ልበሮስኪ although she wants to buy books she doesn't have money yes she doesn't have enough money like this although she wants to buy books there is a comma here ምንም እንኳን መጽሐፍ መግዛት ብትፈልግም በቂ ገንዘብ የላትም do you understand me yes although she wants to buy books she doesn't have enough money another example ካልሆነ ደግሞ she wants to buy books however she doesn't have enough money ሶስተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ this one is look here, this one is subordinating clause እንለዋለን because there is a subordinating conjunction here. There is subordinating conjunction, although adverb clause of contrast ነው የምንለው ምክንያቱም ሐሳቦቹ ተቃራኒ ስለሆኑ between the two clauses there is a comma here. Right? ይሄ ነው although እዚህ ጋር መክተት ይችላል ካስፈለገ she wants to buy books although she doesn't have enough money, of course. Right? ሶስተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው። አራተኛው like this, she wants to buy books. Yes, she wants to buy books. Here she wants to buy books. No, she wants to buy just here. She doesn't have enough money. Here አራተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው። አራተኛው መንገድ መለያ ምንድነው? there is a semicolon here. How you see it? Semicolon here. ይሄው semicolon በሁለቱ መካከል. These are the four ways of creating one run-on sentence, please. አንድ run-on sentence በዚህ በአራት መንገድ ነው ላስተካክል የሚችለው። I think this is clear. Yeah, take care please. እዚህ ጋር የምጠቀመው relative one ነው adverbial ማለት subordinating clause conjunction እና coordinating conjunction ተመሳሳይ መሆን መቻል አለባቸው። right? but እና although almost ይሄኛው coordinating conjunction ነው ይሄኛው subordinating ነው ግን they have the same sense actually. So you can use one of the four ways of correcting run-on sentence. That's what I want to say here about it. Nice, please. ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ እንላለን. Second question. Actually, you're right. Like this. That's not the right way. That's not the right way to solve the problem. Yes, the first sentence. Into the first sentence, you know. But because the second sentence begins with the subject she. So, of course, run-on sentence. But look in this side, run-on sentence, no problem. Dangling misplaced arlam here. This is not the right way to solve the problem. She revised it again and again and came to the solution exactly. All right. So, right, first way ምንድነው ማድረገው? First way, that's not the right way to solve the problem. Full stop እዚህ ጋር ከታለሁኝ ያ full stop እዚህ ጋር ከታለሁ look here. እንዴት ነው ማድረገው ላሳይ። ምክንያቱም ለመጻፉ ሰዓት ስለማይበቃኝ just copy paste እያደረኩ ነው ማሳያችሁ like this. Yes, right. That's not the right way. Look here. That's not the right way. So the problem here, full stop here, period, and the second sentence begins with capital letter. That's one way. ጨረስ አሳከልኩት ይሄ one way of correcting for this Roman sentence. Second one, please. The second one እንደዚህ እናድርገው. Second one like this. Second one I can just use look here. Second one, that's not the right way to solve the problem. So she revised here because that's the result and she revised it and so here is here coordinating conjunction. So that's not the right way to solve the problem. So she revised it again and again. All right? ሌላው መንገድ you can insert semicolon between the two clauses ነው right? semicolon በሁለቱ መካከል insert አድርጌ መክተት ነው። Let's pass the third question please. ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ላይ እንምጣ. The third question ምንድነው የሚላችሁ? I observe the problem where it lies. I have never given proper solutions. Yeah. Yes, what is the first problem here? Where is the first sentence into the first sentence? I observe the problem where it lies. First sentence into the first sentence. Nice. I have never given proper solutions beginning of the second sentence. Exactly. So the first ways of correcting just like this. Just like this, please. እንዴት ነው ይሄን ማያይዘው አሁን just ኮፒስ ማድረገው ሰዓቱን ለመቆጠብ ነው please. ሰዓት ለመቆጠብ የግድ ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብኝ? I observed, look here. I observed the problem where it lies. Full stop. I have never given up. I have never given proposed solutions. Yeah, one way, but I have already created just like this. Yeah. Period is here at the end of the first sentence, and second sentence begins with capital letter. ቀላል መንገድ ነው። ሁለተኛው መንገድ እንጠቀመው። ሁለተኛው መንገድ ለመጠቀም what is the relation between the two sentences please? የሁለቱ አረፍተ ነገሮች ክሎዞች ግንኙነታቸው ምንድነው የሚመስለው? observe the problem is right ችግሩ የት እንዳለ ኦብዘርቭ አድርጊያለሁ ፕሮብሌሙን አይደንቲፋይ አድርጊያለሁ ምንድነው እዚህ I have never given proper solutions ማለት ችግሩን ሊቀርፍ የሚችል ሶሉሽን ኢንተርቬንሽን አልተቀመጠም ስለዚህ ኮንትራስት ናቸው ማለት ነው አይደል ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው ማለት ነው so like this ስለዚህ ተቃራኒ መሆናቸውን ከለየው ከተቃራኒ መሆናቸውን ከለየው እንደዚህ አድርጌ ያስቀምጠዋል I observe the solutions but here look here two ways of creating this run-on sentence here I have observed the problem with it lies but I have never given proper solutions there is a subordinating conjunction no coordinating conjunction followed by a comma ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ነው ያላቸው ሶስተኛው መንገድ እንጠቀም here ሶስተኛው መንገድ እንጠቀም look here I observe the problem it lies and here is however I have never given proper solutions this was another ways of correcting the run-on sentence አራተኛው አማራጫችን ሰሚኮለን መጠቀም ነው አራተኛው አማራጫችን ሰሚኮለን መጠቀም ነው let's pass to question number 4 look here አራተኛው ጥያቄ የሚላችሁ ልዩት አራተኛው ጥያቄው the researcher gathered detailed information from different sources he interpreted the data accordingly exactly yes there is run-on sentence የሁለተኛው አረፍተ ነገር he ብሎ ጀምሯል but no punctuation mark between the two clauses is completely run-on I can't get anything from this sentence please ምንም አይነት ትርጉም ያለው ሐሳብ ላገኝ አልችልም okay so how can I create it here let me copy ላርገውና እንዴት እንደምቀይረው ይሁት አንደኛው ቀላሉ መንገድ እንደምናደርገው just put a period and the second sentence begins with capital letter of course ምንም አያሻማንም and here እዚህ ጋር and ተጠቀማለሁ and ይሄውላችሁ ይሄው ሁለተኛውን ሐሳብ ሳስቀምጠው yes the researcher gathered detailed information from different sources and he interpreted the data accordingly መረጃ ሰብስቧል ከዛ በኋላ በአገኘው መረጃ accordingly በተቀመጠለት ቴማቲክ ኤሪያ ኢንተርፕሪት አድርጎታል ስለዚህ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው the coordinating conjunction ማን ነው የሚሆነው that's called and እንጠቀማለሁ ማለት ነው so take care of the conjunctions here ሁለተኛው መንገድ ላሳያችሁ ሁለተኛው መንገድ ነው ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሁት እዚህ ጋር look at the researcher gathered detailed information from different sources yes right moreover less right moreover I can cancel it the coordinating conjunction and here and put a comma here moreover he interprets the data accordingly or furthermore in addition this is also true for combining in another ways which have the same meaning with the first sentence please ሁለተኛው መንገድ ሶስተኛ period and capital letter አራተኛው don't forget semicolon መጠቀም ይችላልላችሁ question number 5 her wallet is old is not fashionable I must throw it yes right her wallet is old full stop is not fashionable and I must throw it yes I must throw it one way ይኸውላችሁ አንድ መንገድ ይሄ ነው is not yes capital is just period full stop one second one yes second one አሁንም ይሄን እንደዚህ ላድርገውና አሳያችሁ to save my time actually no የምጠቀመው ሰዓቱን ሴቭ ለማድረግ ነው please ሰዓቱን ሴቭ ለማድረግ or you can say it here let me write it please her wallet is old and look here and it's not fashionable yes is not fashionable and I must write the conjunction is what and old ነው outdated ነው fashionable አይደለም ስለዚህ መወርወር አለብኝ ነው መጣል አለብኝ ነው ሪጀክት ማድረግ አለብኝ ነው ስለዚህ coordinating conjunction የማን ነው end ነው old ለሚለው ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ የሚገልጽልኝ not fashionable መሆኑ ነው old fashioned መሆን ማለት ነው አይደል ስለዚህ addition of the first sentence that's why I select the coordinating conjunction end the other semicolon insert ማድረግ እችላለሁ ወይም furthermore መጠቀም እችላለሁ in addition መጠቀም እችላለሁ ሶስተኛው መንገድ አራተኛው መንገድ እንደዚህ እንጠቀማለን I can create it please number 6 in ላዩት number 6 the secretary wrote the resolution letter the secretary wrote the resolution letter the president hasn't signed it yet ጽፏለች ሴክሬታሪዋ የውሳኔውን ደብዳቤ ጽፏለች ፕሬዝዳንቱ ግን ፊርማውን እስካሁን ድረስ አላሳረፈበትም ነው አይደል ሪዘልት ነው so ብለን ነው but ነው yet ነው or maybe for which one is the correct coordinating conjunction መለየት ነው የመጀመሪያው the secretary wrote the resolution letter period and this must be capitalized the president hasn't signed it yet one way ይሄ ነው የምንጠቀምበት second one look here the secretary yes here the secretary let me copy paste here the question here በሁለተኛው መንገድ ለማሳየት ስለፈለኩ ነው the secretary of the resolution letter but because its opposite meaning is but the president hasn't signed it yet how you see it but ሶስተኛው መንገድ use appropriate subordinating conjunction contrast sometimes adjectives conjunctive adverbs እንጠቀማለን እነዚህ however ምናምን እንጠቀማለን ግን commonly appropriate ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር ማን also ነው yes like this ይሄን እስኪ አንድ መንገድ ላሳያችሁ ይሄን አንድ መንገድ ላሳይ ሶስተኛው መንገድ እንዴት አድርጌ እንደማስተካከል please look here the secretary wrote the yes yes here the secretary wrote the resolution letter though the president hasn't signed it yet this is called adverb clause of contrast no which is ምንድነው የምንለው ይሄንን subordinating conjunction ነው subordinating conjunction መካከል ከመጣ ኮማ እዚህ ጋር መጠቀም ያስፈልገኝ ማለት ነው so ይሄ ሶስተኛው መንገድ በዚህ መልኩ እንጠቀማለን ሶስተኛው መንገድ ways of creating for this run-on sentence number 4 please the world is in conflict now things are becoming worse and worse the world is in conflict now yes right in conflict now wow the first one I can put a period here እዚህ ጋር period ተጠቀመር ካስፈለገኝ ሳሳክለው ጥያቄው ነው ራሱ second capitalize አድርጓለሁ ይኸውላችሁ the world is in conflict now things are becoming worse and worse meaningful a period and capital letter here second one the world is in conflict now and things are like this ሁለተኛው መንገድ ተጠቀም ደግሞ and thing this must be small letter here and things are becoming worse and worse okay worse and worse this is the second ways of creating this run-on sentence ሶስተኛው መንገድ እዚሁ እንዚያው ሶስተኛው መንገድ that's the shortest way I put simply semicolon between the two clauses the world is in conflict now semicolon things are becoming worse and worse two related short clauses so I can separate with semicolon absolutely right and meaningful right absolutely right and all right እነዚህ መንገዶች መጠቀም run-on sentence እናስተካክልባቸው መንገዶች ናቸው number 8 ላይ ሄዱ እስኪ number 8 question number 8 the decision was made by the president's office no one blames me yes the decision was made by the president's office yes right here is the end of the first sentence so I can put a period here so the second sentence begins with capital letter no one blames it አሳክልኩት ማለት ነው but and no one blames it ሁለተኛው መንገድ ሳሳክለው like this and no one blames it so it must be small letter here within comma and coordinating conjunction, I correct the sentence like this. I correct the sentence just like this. And also, the decision was made by the Sub-President's office, semicolon, no emblem seat. Right? The decision was made by the President's office, moreover, no emblem seat. Nice. Question number 9. Question. Everything is available here. They are close to the recent information. Everything is available here, and they are close to. And here is this is the period here. This is the end of the first sentence, and I must be capitalized. T must be capitalized here. Everything is available here, and they are close to the recent information. As I run on sentence, I can put a period in capital for the beginning of the second clause, of course. Everything is available here. What's the relation between the two clauses? They are close to, everything is available, and they are close to the recent. End this end. So like this, put a comma and here, and here. So this must be capitalized small letter. Here, everything is available here, and they are close to the recent information. Nice. The last question, please. ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ላይ ነው የምንሄደው። የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ I accused of the political leader. He was quietly corrupted. Yes, I accused of the political leader. He was quietly just corrupted. So here is a period. Right? Yes, right. How can I join this sentence? Look here. Yeah, I accused of the political leader. For he was corrupted by, he was quietly corrupted. He was quietly corrupt. One way, please. Yeah, one way is here. Look here. I accused of the political leader, for he was quietly corrupted. Why I accuse the political leader? Because he was quietly corrupted. Reason no የሚገልጽላችሁ ይሄ reason ስለሚገልጽልኝ so for is between the two clauses here. Alright? ሁለተኛው መንገድ I accused of the political leader. Because he was corrupted. He was quietly corrupted. ዝምድናቸው በደንብ ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር look here. For comma with coordinating conjunction, because subordinating conjunction. So these underlined phrases are subordinating clause. What kind? What's called causifate or reason clause in the last one. They have the same meaning actually. ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ነው ያላቸው። ለመጀመሪያው መንገድ በሁለተኛው መንገድ ብታስተካክሉት የተለየ ትርጉም just these are ways of creating run-on sentence anyways. Yeah, run-on sentenceን በዚህ መልክ ነው እናስተካክላቸው. I think I gave you some clarifications and how we create strategies of creating run-on sentence, especially focus on what run-on sentence is, and you practice it. Take the examples. There is also the third part of run-on sentence, which is more advanced, and next time I'm going to present. I hope you will watch and you will get some important points regarding sentence errors, and your writing sentence will be smart, and you can write a very smart and meaningful paragraphs and essay, because sentence errors definitely affect our writing works. Okay, so the more we practice run-on sentence by avoiding run-on sentence, the better we improve our writing skill. So this is a very important part. I will do more and more, and this is true for all university students. So I hope you will watch the video and write comments, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you very much. Please, this is from Mr. Kabba.